I'm inside my room here at Majestic Mirage. This is the #1 rated Punta Cana hotel at the moment. There are 3 Majestic properties here on site. There is Majestic Colonial, Majestic Elegance, and then the creme de la creme, the Majestic Mirage. The Mirage is the most sought after property of the 3. It is the newest and most expensive property of the 3. Today I'm going to show you everything in this room. It's a pretty special room. It's one of the better ones they have here on site. It has an outdoor terrace, it has an outdoor jacuzzi, a private shower, and my own personal sunbed. All of that is located upstairs on my own private patio. That is where the stairs lead to. We are going to get to that in just a moment. I do have to disclose one thing. This is hotel number 7 for me, and upon entering this room, I got the best vibe out of any other hotel room I've been to thus far. All the other hotel rooms were tropical themed. This one seems a little urban. It's modern. I get a little bit of a New York vibe from it. I get a little bit of a London vibe from it. I think it's because the room is rather narrow and rectangular, and that is to accommodate the rooftop terrace upstairs. Again, we're going to get to that in just a moment. Let's start with this bathroom. I like it. It's butterflied. You have your shower on the left. You have your water closet on the right. Both are classily disguised by these frosted doors. We'll get to those in a moment. I'm digging the external sinks. These are really modern and edgy. And I also like these little touches, like the black glasses. Those are really cool. Here is the water closet. You've seen one water closet, you've seen them all, but it's nicely done, fresh, clean, modern. And then on the other side, we have a shower in here. It's a little dark, but I do like it. I like how the towels are hung here for convenience right inside the shower. I like the embossed M for Mirage. And then you have a true rain head that is attached to the ceiling. That's a true rain head. You have another shower handle here, and then we have some Majestic products, which look really nice. I'm looking forward to testing those out. On the other side of the bathroom, we do have a closet right here. Nothing special, but it is an opportunity to keep your stuff organized and to keep the room clutterless. Moving out of the bathroom, this is really the main portion of the room. It is an open space layout. That bed looks really comfortable. I have a date with that here momentarily. Let's just check out this closet real quick. You have all your utilitarian stuff in here. You have your safe, and then you have your ironing board. Ooh, these robes look really nice. I like that Majestic logo. These are perfect weight. And then you have an ironing board in there as well. This bed looks so inviting. I'm just gonna get on it right now. I might end the video right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this is awesome. This is special. You have a bit of like a faux fur throw blanket right here. A couple accent pillows. You have a headboard that goes all the way to the ceiling. Padded, classy. This is a really, really nice setup. I am going to love this. I already know it. A little bit of a work area right there. Nothing too large. But if you're working a lot in Punta Cana, you got problems. As we flip over to this side of the room, we have a couch. I was gonna say a sofa, but it's not a sofa. It is a couch, and this is really not that comfortable at all. But it's a place to kind of flop, maybe read a book, organize your stuff. I'll end up putting my suitcases on there. Here is your minibar area, a couple coffee makers, Lay's potato chips. I've seen these Lay's potato chips pretty much in every room so far. Like, Lay's are a staple here in Punta Cana. Got some champagne glasses, ice bucket, all the standard stuff. And then here is your mini fridge. All this stuff is included because this is all inclusive. A couple Presidente lights, my favorite, these little handheld bullets. I love these, very pocketable. And then we have some Coors Lights. And then you also get a bottle of champagne and then a bottle of liquor of your choice, at least one. I chose vodka. I should have done rum because we're in the Dominican, but I've had enough rum, so I chose vodka. Before I show you my terrace upstairs, I do want to show you my second patio. It's small, it's intimate, it's cozy. It doesn't have the best view in the world, but you do have a peekaboo ocean view. You come out here and kind of breathe in some of that Dominican air. There's a pool down there. You have a beautiful view of your strangers hotel rooms across the way. But if you want to come out here for a Spanish coffee, a mimosa, a cerveza, maybe just take in some of that fresh Dominican air, you can definitely do that. All right, let's get upstairs. There is a TV right here. I haven't watched a lot of TV in Punta Cana. I think if you're watching a lot of TV in Punta Cana, you have issues. Some 3D artwork right there. Let's take this staircase up, and this is quite the tall staircase for an individual room. And the leads up to my private terrace, and it is private. It's very private. I mean, you have your own outdoor shower, and you can actually really shower out here. So here's that. Shower with a view if you like. You kind of do have a view of your neighbors right there, so be careful. And then here we have the private terrace. So a couple wicker chairs out here. Here is a shelf to hang up all your swimsuits to keep them dry. Private bed right here. You have to request some towels, but it's not too bad. Ooh. All right, that's a little obnoxious. And then here is your jacuzzi. A couple steps lead up here. And looks like we have some good sun action all the way late into the afternoon, so that is nice. So this is very private. It's not meant to have a view. It's not meant to be majestic. This is where you want to come up here for some privacy, for some intimacy. Come out here in the morning, afternoon, and night, and just really take in the Dominican air and enjoy yourself. Lean over, see what's going on. I don't know how I feel about it, to be frank with you. I mean, I paid for it. I want to love it. I don't know how I feel. I'll let you know. All right, so that is it for my extended room tour of my Majestic Mirage rooftop outdoor sky view jacuzzi suite. Again, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how much time I'm really going to spend up there. It's a great selling point. It is a great marketing gimmick to have your own outdoor jacuzzi tub. I will let you know how much time I actually spend up there. It will not be in this video, however, because this video is ending. This is just the room tour. But I am here for 4 nights, and again, this is the #1 rated TripAdvisor property in Punta Cana. There are 6 restaurants, maybe more, at least 3 pools. There is a Mirage Club, which I need to find out what that is. I paid extra for it. I think it's like a special area, premium areas, adults only. I need to find out more about that. I am quite excited to be here. If the vibe is anything like the lobby and anything like this room, I'm definitely going to enjoy my time here.